everyone, my name is Lucy. Today I'm going to read the poem Freddie and the Cherry Tree. Words to watch for: cherry, kindly, finest, beautiful. Freddie saw some fine, ripe cherries hang on a cherry tree, and he says, "You pretty cherries, will you not come down to me?" "Thank you kindly," said a cherry. "We would rather stay up here. If we dare to drop this morning, you would eat us up, I fear." The finest of the cherries dangled from a slender twig. "You are beautiful," said Freddie, "red and ripe, and oh, how big!" "Catch me," called the cherry. "Catch me, little mister, if you can. I would catch you soon, said Freddie. "If I were a grown-up man," Freddie jumped and tried to reach it, standing high upon his toes. But the cherry bobbled about and laughed and tickled Freddie's nose. "Never mind," said little Freddie. "I shall have them when it's right." But a blackbird whistled boldly. "I shall eat them all tonight." Goodbye.